Solo 1 with techniques. Now let's revisit the first solo from this course, this time with some essential techniques added to it. You've already learned how to play this solo with some slides, and now you'll add vibrato, pull-offs, and quarter tone bends. Now let's take a closer look at the solo divided into sections. In the first section, you'll start by adding some vibrato to the longer notes in these three positions, which sounds like this. Adding vibrato to longer notes helps to keep them interesting, making the solo sound a lot more musical while adding your own personal touch to the notes. In the second part, you'll add vibrato and some pull-offs, which will sound like this. Pull-offs create a nicer flow between notes in faster sections, as you don't have to pick each note individually. Now, moving on to the last part, you'll add some more vibrato and quarter tone bends to the solo, which sounds like this. Quarter tone bends are a great technique you can use to give solos a bluesy feel. And remember to not overbend, but to rather keep the quarter tone bends short and quick. Now let's play through the complete solo, paying special attention to the essential techniques being used. In the upcoming lessons, you'll practice adding these techniques, starting at a slower tempo before gradually building up the speed. Good luck.